Hello children, how are you? Must be fine at home. Here we are discussing about part 3 of growing new plants of block 2 of unit 1. Our aim is compare the features of seed that disperse by wind, water and animals. As we have discussed about the agents of seed dispersal, so here wind, water, animal and explosion are the agents of seed dispersal. And we have also discussed about the features of seed dispersed by wind. So here some features are given. Seeds are light in weight. Seeds have some special structures like hairs and wings. Yes, they have hairs and wings on the surface of the seed. Examples are ack, maple seed, sunflower seed, cotton seed and dandelion seeds. These all seeds are carried by wind far away from the parent plant and dispersed. This is drumstick seed and it is very light in weight and having some structures like wings. And this is maple seed, it is known as helicopter seed. It is having structures like wings also. This is dandelion seed and it is having a structure like hairs. And this is also sunflower seed. This is having parachute like structure and they all can fly very far from the parent plant and dispersed by wind. Here we are talking about the seed dispersal by wind. So seed dispersed by water. Seeds have fibers and you can say have fibrous outer covering. And now you have got fibers outside the coconut seed. We are talking about the coconut seed here. And seeds have spongy outer covering like in water lily. Some other examples are lotus and mangrove. The main thing is they do not allow water absorption. So they prevent itself from excess of absorption of water. So they can remain in the water for long time and they can survive in water also. This is the example of water lily. You can see over here that this is water lily and these are leaves and this grows in water. Next one is, this is coconut seed and this is germinating here. This is shoot system you can see over here and this seed can remain in water for a long time, for many months also. So here water lily and the coconut palm are carried by water. Coconut can travel for thousands of kilometers across the seas and oceans. So there, from where do it get food? Yes, it get food and nutrients from its white part and water inside the seed. Next is seed dispersal by animals. Some seeds like lychee, berries and apples are eaten by some animals, but they cannot digest them and excrete seeds from their body as droppings. Yes, seeds are not digestible, so they are removed by the animals or birds as droppings. Next one is, some seeds like xanthium have little hooks and other have barbs. Barbs are what? Barbs are very fine pointed growths over the area of the seed coat. Okay, and spines is needle like structures found on the seed coat. So these structures are able to stick on the fur of animal or with the clothes of human. Thus these can be carried different places. So this is the way of seed dispersal by animals and human also. Here you can say these are berries and these are having very tiny seed inside it. So several fruits are eaten by human and animals and the seeds are discarded away from the parent plant. Some of these fruits include blackberries, cherries, papayas and tomatoes. These are dispersed by humans also. Like here, over here you can see that this is a monkey and it is having a fruit, and after having this fruit it will definitely throw this seed, and when the seed will get favorable condition, then it will germinate. Here this bird is chewing this seed, and after it will not digest, so it will come out of the body with the droppings. And this is xanthium seed. Look over here beta, this is xanthium seed. It is having some spine, or this is having spine and hooks like structures, है ना? There are hook like structures, those are capable to stick in fur of animals and disperse from one place to another place. So you can see over here, these are some seeds sticked on the fur of the dog. So they will be carried and they will be dropped any other place from this animal. Some more examples we can see here. Beggar sticks, sticky होते हैं, flats होते हैं, seed like fruit with tiny hooks that readily cling to the fur of the animal, like xanthium. They also cling with the fur of the animal and clothing of human, thus promoting their spread far and wide. So students, we have discussed about the seed dispersal by rain, water and animal and human also. Now we will discuss about the seed dispersal by explosion process. So what is the explosion process? Over here you can see once fruit ripen, then it bursts and seeds are scattered in different directions away from the parent plant. This process is called an explosion. There the process of explosion happens in pea family. Pea family is because they are having pods, and pods get it ripes, and when they ripe then they explodes, है ना? And when they explode, then seed burst out, comes out from the pod. Pea, beans, poppy flower, they are also example of seed dispersal by explosion. Look over here. This is the process of seed dispersal by explosion. है ना? These seeds are coming out, and these are coming out violently from this pod, and they are scattered here and there so that overcrowding will be prevented. Yeah, overcrowding will be minimized. Next one, students, here some examples I have given you. This is also the explosion process. This is in poppy. This is explosion process. Now it's time to read our book, and I will read for you and you will understand what are the topics in our book are given. So first we talk about the water. The plants growing in or around water bodies are adapted to disperse through water. Now we are aware with this term. The seeds of the water lily have a spongy outer covering, and the coconut seeds have fibrous outer covering to help them float in water. The flow of water picks up the seeds and carries them along. So dear, these are the main features of the seeds who can travel with the flow of water. They must be fibrous outer covering, they must be having spongy outer covering, okay. Next one is animals. Animals are agents, water is agents, and explosion is also agent who helps to do so. Matlab who helps in dispersal process. So now animals are the most common ways for seeds to disperse. Yes, they eat fruits and throw seeds in different places. Sometimes the seeds leave the animal's body in its feces. Feces means the droppings, you can say, or feces means the excretory organ, that is excretion from the body. This happens with the blackberries and apples. So these are small seeds, है ना? So they will come out of the body. Some seeds like xanthium have little hooks, while others have barbs which help them attach to the bodies of animals and then drop off as the animal is traveling. Yes, when animal travels from here and there, then they will fall off. Anywhere they can fall. Next one is explosion process. The fruits of some plants grow as pod, which explode when ripe and shoot out the seeds. Yes, they shoot out the seeds. It means they violently or vigorously they scatter the seed in many directions, in different directions. Many plants including pea and bean are examples of such type of seed dispersal. So these are examples of seed dispersal. Over here in this picture, these seeds are having barbs, very fine structures. Those are spiny structures. And this squirrel is having some seeds, and after some time this squirrel will excrete, and then these seeds will come out with the feces. So excretion process is what? Excretion process is to get rid of waste material of our body. Next one, this is a pod. You can see this is a pod, white colored, and this pod is having many seeds inside it. It will burst and the seeds will scattered here and there. This is explosion process. And this is also having barbs. They will stick with the clothes or fur of the animals and carried away with their clothes and fur. So students, this chapter contained book is completed. Now we will discuss about our worksheet, volume worksheet S4. So in our volume worksheet S4, question 1 is, look at the pictures and complete the table. We have to complete this table. Okay. So there are some examples of seeds. This is Calotropis, this is pea, and this is coconut. This seed is having structures of like hairs, they are very light in weight, so they can be dispersed by wind. These are in the pods. These seeds are found in the pod, so they will be explode, and this process is explosion. They will come out with the process of explosion. This seed is of coconut. Yes, this is coconut seed, and this is having thick coat that prevent water loss and decaying in water. It will not decay very soon in water because it travels thousands of kilometers in the water. Okay. So, dear all, you can see the answers of the question. Calotropis is very light and have hair-like structures to fly. Okay. And yes, what will be the agent here? It will be wind. In case of pea, seeds are in pod. Pod explodes when it ripes. So this process is explosion. Next one is coconut. Thick seed coat prevents from decaying in water, can float in water, and the agent of dispersal is water. Now the next question is question number 2. How can the seeds of a grape plant be dispersed to different regions? By throwing or dropping by human, animals and birds. Yes, it can be dispersed by throwing, or fruit may be carried to other countries, eaten there, and seeds may grow there. This is the also dispersal process, that if we eat fruit in other country and we throw the seed of the fruit in the same country, then it will germinate and after some time it will form a plant. So it could be a process also. Okay, dear all students, I think now it is completed and you are very aware of your chapter and topic, and if you are having any difficulty then we will discuss in the class. Thanks for watching.